interested in no hardcore man. That is one thing I would have never dated if I was a single woman, is a man who just so hardcore. He acts like a whole man when it comes to me. I would never date a man like that. You know, you have some women that like men like that. I don't like them kind of men. Be soft with me, okay? That's why I'm so thankful for my husband, because he is soft with me. Don't give me no hardcore ghetto man. I have no interest.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, little kitty. Kitty, he don't want you anymore. Diamonds on my record. Since 16, I'm coming down right in Lexus. How you gonna neglect this? You was just a hot mess. You can call Tyrone, who ain't got so loud, friend. What about my body? What about my body? I'm in the house all alone. You rather